Welcome to Leatherings, the podcast where we explore the latest trends and timeless classics in the world of fashion. I'm your host, and today we have an exceptional piece to discuss: Quilted Shoulder Leather Jacket. Get ready to discover a jacket that combines style, comfort, and functionality in one sleek package. This jacket is a true standout with its real sheepskin leather outer shell. The use of high-quality sheepskin ensures a supple and luxurious feel, while the aniline finish adds a touch of sophistication and enhances the natural grain of the leather. The black color adds a classic and versatile touch, making it a wardrobe staple for any fashion-conscious individual. One of the standout features of this jacket is the quilted shoulder design. The quilted pattern adds a touch of visual interest and gives the jacket a modern edge. It's a subtle detail that elevates the overall style and sets this jacket apart from the rest. Comfort is also a top priority with the quilted shoulder leather jacket. The inner shell is lined with quilted viscose, providing a soft and cozy feel against the skin. This lining not only adds warmth but also enhances the overall comfort of the jacket, making it a pleasure to wear. The zipper closure style offers both functionality and style. It allows for easy on and off, while also adding a touch of modernity to the jacket's design. The snap-tab band collar adds a refined touch, creating a sleek and sophisticated look that can be dressed up or down. When it comes to storage, this jacket has you covered. With two inside pockets, you can safely store your essentials such as your wallet or phone. Additionally, there are 4 outside pockets, offering ample space to keep your hands warm or store smaller items while on the go. The cuffs of the jacket feature zipper detailing, adding a touch of edginess and allowing for adjustable comfort. Whether you prefer a snug fit or a more relaxed feel, the zipper cuffs give you the flexibility to personalize your style. The quilted shoulder leather jacket is a versatile piece that can be effortlessly styled for various occasions. Pair it with jeans and a t-shirt for a casual yet stylish look, or dress it up with tailored pants and a button-down shirt for a more polished ensemble. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Leatherings. Stay tuned for more exciting discussions on the latest trends and fashion must-haves. Until next time.